ranking every character in the Suicide Squad by how likely I think they will survive or die. So here's how we are gonna do this. I will say what number position they fall in. There are 17 different characters, and 17th place is who I think will die first, and then first place is who I think has the least chance of dying. We will also say why I think they will die and why I think they will live. With all that being said, let's begin.
Weasel! He's harmless. I mean, he's not harmless. He's killed 27 children, but, you know.
It's okay, I'm not okay. I need to feel the raindrops on my head, on my head.
We're all gonna die. I hope so.
I'm a superhero!
Good life.
I'm going to get you out of here alone.
This is suicide.
Well, that's kind of our thing.
Waller, I don't— Stand down!
And bird. I cherish peace with all my heart. I don't care how many men, women, and children I need to kill to get it.